Hello, and welcome to this video. We'll be covering how to purchase courses from OpenSesame, as well as how to use them in your platform. Let's go ahead and click on Teaching, then on Courses. At the top of the page, click on the Purchase Course button. This will open the OpenSesame homepage, which shows some suggestions and trending courses. You can use the search bar at the top to search for courses, or browse the full catalog using the Catalog button. Once you have chosen a course, you will need to add it to your cart using the Get This Course button. This particular course is a free course, so it doesn't matter which option I select. But if you're paying for the course, be sure to select the option that best suits your needs. On the next page, you will have the option to either continue shopping or check out and purchase the course. Enter your payment information and click Complete Purchase. You will now be taken to the Sync page. This is the area where you will be able to take your OpenSesame courses and have them added to SkyPrep. Scrolling down, you'll see the course bundles and individual courses areas. The items listed here will be added to your platform once you click on the Send to LMS button at the top. If you don't want to add something immediately, you can click on the Remove button beside the item. To add the courses back into the list, click on Purchase Courses on the left and use the Send to LMS button. Once you're satisfied with your list, click on Send to LMS. After the sync has finished, you'll be redirected to the OpenSesame folder in your Material section. The item can now be used in any new or existing course. To quickly create a course, go back to the Courses section, but this time click on Create Course instead of Purchase Course. Once you've named the course and are in the Course Content tab, use the Add Items to this course drop-down menu and select the Choose Existing option under Materials. Click on the OpenSesame folder, then on the Add to Course button beside the module. Congratulations! You've just created a course using content from OpenSesame. If you have any questions or want to access more instructional content like this one, just click on the Help Resources button in the bottom right corner of your platform. Here you'll be able to access our FAQs as well as send our support team a message.